How to shut down your computer? By one click only. You just need to right click, create new shortcut and just type shutdown space -s space -t space 00 space -f. Then next, then finish. Shortcut is created. You just need to right click and then you need to go in the properties to select the icon. Here we'll see change icon option and then press OK. Then you can select the power button icon, apply, OK, and you can put your shortcut to the taskbar. And when you will click on the power button what you created on the taskbar, PC will be going to shut down.